What if you could create high-quality, engaging content in a fraction of the time it takes today, using the power of artificial intelligence? This is not a hypothetical scenario, but a reality that many content creators are embracing. With the advancement of AI technology, the possibilities for content creation have expanded exponentially. From writing and graphic design to video production, AI is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content. In this podcast, we'll delve into the world of AI content creation, exploring the tools, techniques, and strategies that can help you leverage AI for your content needs.
Let's start with the basics. What is AI content creation and how does it work? AI content creation refers to the use of artificial intelligence algorithms to generate, optimize, or automate content. This can include anything from blog posts and social media updates to videos and podcasts. The process typically involves training AI models on large datasets of content, which enables them to learn patterns, styles, and structures. Once trained, these models can generate new content that mimics the characteristics of the training data. For instance, AI writing tools can produce high-quality articles, while AI graphic design tools can create stunning visuals. The key benefit of AI content creation is its ability to save time and increase productivity, allowing creators to focus on higher-level tasks such as strategy and creativity.
One of the most controversial aspects of AI content creation is its potential impact on jobs. Will AI replace human content creators, or will it augment their capabilities? This is a debate that has been ongoing for some time, with valid arguments on both sides. On one hand, AI can automate routine and repetitive tasks, freeing up human creators to focus on more complex and creative work. On the other hand, there is a risk that AI could displace certain jobs, particularly those that involve tasks that can be easily automated. However, it's also important to consider the new job opportunities that AI content creation could create, such as AI trainer, AI ethicist, and AI content strategist. As we move forward, it's crucial to have a nuanced understanding of the potential implications of AI on the job market and to develop strategies that mitigate any negative effects.
Looking to the future, the impact of AI on content creation will be profound. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and platforms that enable creators to produce high-quality content with ease. This could lead to a democratization of content creation, where anyone can produce professional-grade content, regardless of their background or experience. Moreover, AI will enable creators to personalize content at scale, tailoring it to individual preferences and needs. This could revolutionize the way we consume content, making it more engaging, relevant, and effective. However, it also raises important questions about the role of human creativity and judgment in the content creation process. As we become increasingly reliant on AI, how do we ensure that we're not losing the essence of what makes content great? Its ability to inspire, to educate, and to connect with audiences on a deeper level.
So, what can you do to get started with AI content creation? First, explore the various AI tools and platforms that are available, such as language generators, graphic design software, and video production platforms. Next, experiment with these tools to understand their capabilities and limitations. It's also essential to develop a strategic approach to AI content creation, considering how you can use AI to augment your existing workflow and enhance your content. Finally, stay up to date with the latest developments in AI content creation, attending webinars, conferences, and workshops to learn from experts and network with peers. By taking these steps, you can unlock the full potential of AI content creation and stay ahead of the curve in an increasingly competitive landscape. And if you found this podcast informative and helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest trends and insights in AI and content creation.